friends, today I'm really excited because we are going for plant shopping. Yay! Actually, I lost few of my plants because of the balcony renovation work that was going on. I shifted my plants to the lobby area and some of my plants died there. So I need some new plants and also I need to buy summer season plants. So let's go. We are going to Shikharpur, a village in the outskirts of Kolkata. There are many nurseries in that village. It seems that the entire village is in nursery business. This nursery visit was also a kind of family outing for us. Soon you will see the cityscape will change into village landscape. We really enjoyed the village scenes on our way. It was around 30 minutes journey, approximately 15 kilometers from our home, and we thoroughly enjoyed the entire journey. There were many nurseries in that village. We just visited 3 of them. All of them have huge collection of outdoor and indoor plants. Plants kept under shades are indoor plants, and the plants that are kept open air without any shade are the outdoor plants. This area are for saplings. Season flowers are growing in that area, and these are the outdoor plants. All the summer season flowering and non-flowering plants are here. I'll definitely take some flowering plants from this bunch. It was really overwhelming what to take one, what not to. I could not decide at all. I took one of those. These are Jatropus or Dattapriya in Bengali. I'll show you all the plants that I bought after reaching home. These are carnivorous pitcher plants. They trap insects inside these pitchers and eat them. My son was very excited looking at them. He wanted one of these to bring home, but I actually refrained. I was pretty sure I will kill them definitely if I take them home. I would suggest not to buy plants impulsively whenever you visit nursery. I learned this over time by my experience. It happens that we get overwhelmed by the plants and we found that those plants very beautiful and take them home. But we should also assess our home condition, whether our home condition is suitable for the plant we are taking home. And also if we have the time and energy to take care of those plants. I took one of these ferns. Aglaonemas. This is flowering orchid. Aren't they beautiful? They are also selling fruit trees and veggies. I took palms, Erica palms for my balcony. And finally, the shopping was over and time to go back home. Now see friends, what I have bought. One beautiful looking spider plant, two majestic ericas, one variegated peace lily. This one is called lollipop flower plant or patchy statues. I am seeing it for the first time. Let us see how I can take care of it. That pink pentas and the jatropha's Adattapriya. I also took two vincas, and these are curtain creepers, and the turtle vine. I found this turtle vine very attractive, so I took it. So friends, please let me know in the comment section below which plant you like the most. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Plantify.